One nigga, they was recording.
Ain't nobody what?
So,
Hi.
the deal, like, we was just like a random, come on. So, what's the deal? How you doing today?
Look at them damn seagulls over there.
This bitch is high as a car.
Get on you.
Come on, make a video. Come on, my nigga, you tripping. You hot. Get in the sun.
I am in the gym.
Right there, in the middle.
I want to go run a photo shoot like on some more shit.
Go.
No, that's not nice. You see them?
Oh, dude, they take photo shoots up here.
Yes, but he's trying to live first down. Hey, why that look like Janet Jackson from afar? I bet you was supposed to look like Prince.
Damn, look how low my eyes are, but they see.
Your brother is my
Look.
brother.
You see the real?
Because he told me I was his
You see the real? You see the real difference in between me regular and I'm high? Look.
We need us to get it together now. We still recording this damn video. Let me tell you something.
Hey.
Get over it.
Nah, nigga, you on now. Oh, nigga. Okay, look. You gonna go right here and record the video. You have to act normal.
Hold on. You know what? You on the phone and we taking a video right now. You gotta calm down.
Shut up. Look, let her talk on the phone.
Oh.
Come on. Let her talk on the phone with him. That's what it means. Okay, so what's the deal, Damo? How you doing it? You know, we recording, you know, nigga high as bitch right now. High as fuck. Man, so Damo,